Hi everyone. We are in the ninth step of this case study audit engagement, and we are 5 team members who are working together. We have done really great job, and we have reached to the ninth step. The 10th step is the last concluding step of this case study for the audit, right? So in this ninth step, we have created the audit finding non-conformity report, right? So this is the structure of the audit finding NC report. We just have one non-conformity with the severity minor. It is not a major non-conformity. It is a minor non-conformity. So I think clients, all those four AIMS are nearly meeting the required audit requirements, except this one minor non-conformity, right? So NC01, AI risk management, clause number 6 is affected by this non-conformity, right? And this is of the type minor. What was the requirement for against which this NC is raised? This NC is raised against certain requirement. What was that requirement, right? So this was the requirement. The organization shall establish, implement, and maintain the process for identifying and assessing risks associated with the AI systems throughout the life cycle. What is the objective evidence? This was the objective evidence. During the audit, the fraud detection model was identified as a high risk system operating in the production environment. The AI system inventory confirmed the model is actively used to detect suspicious transactions on the e-commerce platform. Review of the AI risk register and supporting documentation did not provide evidence of a completed AI risk for this model, right? So can you see what a beautiful language it is written? Very professional, very crisp and clear language. That is the kind of language we should use as the auditors, right? Non-conformity statement. This is the statement of the non-conformity. We have to be very clear on the three things. One, what was the requirement against which the non-conformity is raised? Number two, what was the non-conformity? And the description of the non-conformity. These three things have to be very clear to us, and then we will make this clear to our auditee as well, right? So what is the NC statement? The fraud detection model is currently operating in the production environment without documented evidence of an AI assessment. This model is live in production, but it doesn't have the AI risk assessment. So this indicates that the organization's AI risk management process has not been consistently applied. It does exist, but it is not consistently in the application, is what we are saying. What is the root cause to be completed by the auditee? Because we are not the technical people. We have not implemented the system by ourselves. We, we are an external party. We are from the auditing department. So people on the ground from the auditee side who have actually implemented these technical systems have to provide the root cause, right? So it is an example is mentioned here. The fraud detection model was deployed before the formal AI risk management framework was established, and retrospective risk assessment were not conducted. The corrective action also needs to be provided by the organization, and this is the corrective action. What we will validate as an auditor team, the effectiveness of the corrective action will be verified through a follow-up review of the updated risk assessment documentation and the AI risk register, right? So whenever our client, we will decide, we along with the client will decide that by what time you guys will be able to complete this. They will say that we will be able to complete this within next 7 days. So we will say, okay, please keep on updating us during these 7 days. If you are fine, we will schedule the follow-up audit on the 8th day or on the 9th day. That is the mutual discussion that will happen between our team and the auditee about this NC, right? And then you have this standard approval system, right? So this is not the final report that we will see in the step number 10, the concluding step of this case study audit, but this is the audit finding and NC report, right? I hope you are now connecting the entire thing. We are in the ninth step. We have concluded the ninth step, and now we will talk about in the next video. We will be concluding this entire audit engagement, the case study audit engagement, right? So I hope you are learning. So keep learning and keep rocking. Thank you.